I'm gonna show you how to create ads like these that really performs on Meta and completely easy to create, like under 3 minutes. So stick to the end if you want to make money with e-commerce, because this is hella sauce in this video. So you need a reference image. I'm gonna use this. I saw this on X. Then you need this file. I'm gonna give you this file. It's linked down below. Gonna copy this prompt. Gonna go here. Then you're gonna say how the character should look like. We're gonna do the hair shedding thing too. Old man that has hair shedding and balding. And then the product is about hair growth cream with rosemary and oregano. It's nothing complex. You're gonna hit enter. You may ask, how the fuck can I make images on Claude? You're just gonna go on Polaris. It's a crazy software. It's something like Higgsfield, but just 60 times cheaper. And it's ecom specific, like it has ecom skills into it. So the copywriting is better and the scenes look so much better automatically. So you're gonna go on connect with Claude. You're gonna copy this. Gonna go inside of Claude, press on the plus, go on connectors, go on add connectors, add custom connector, write in Polaris or something and put this link in. That's it. So now it's gonna make the images. We're gonna wait for this. While we're waiting, we're gonna go here, go inside of the script, copy this, and now it's important. Copy this. Oh wait, GPT, boom, copy this, and copy this down below. So the copywriting is good. It has all the copywriting fundamentals, and that's kind of important for so the ad converts and doesn't look just pretty. Then we're gonna press 2K quality, and now the image is gonna load. If Polaris sounds good for you, I have a discount code. With the code UGC50, you get 50% off for your first order. So just get it. It's so much better than Higgsfield. It's just because I use it myself and my whole workflow is around Polaris because it's so fucking crazy. So we see the image is now finished. It looks kind of cool. You could download it here. You don't need to, and you could recreate it here if you don't like it, but we're gonna keep it. Then you're gonna press enter with this prompt and wait like 1 minute again. So now it gave us the script, and you're gonna see here product name. Then you're just gonna type in your product. My product name is Grand hair. That's it. And if you don't like the script, you could just tweak it and say, Claude, yeah, I don't like this part. It gave me the new script. And with this script, you're gonna go here, scroll down, generate an image for every scene, blah, blah, blah. Just copy this, go inside of Claude, paste it in. And now it makes all the scenes completely for you. It generates all the scene images. And bro, it's so fucking crazy. Now you can see how crazy it looks. It generates all of these images, and so every scene is now generated and it looks fucking fire. And you see, boom, it's completely good. It's a crazy storytelling. Oh no, it's rendering. Bro, it's so good. Oh my god. Oh no, it's not finished. I'm gonna be back when it's finished. Now it's finished. You're gonna go into the SOP file, copy this, boom. Bro, it's so easy. Boom, enter, and wait again. Now every clip is gonna render. It takes some time, but then your ad should be set because Claude is gonna do a different thing after this, and that's so crazy. So before you're gonna download every video that's here, paste in this prompt, boom, and now we wait again. So I'm gonna edit it now. It takes like 4 minutes. Give me 4 minutes. Really this, and now the ad is finished. Look at here.
Losing your hair, it's not aging. Losing your hair, it's not aging. It's one hormone, and a plant can stop it. Every morning you see it. Hair on the pillow, hair in the drain, more scalp than last week. You start wearing hats, you skip photos. It keeps getting worse. Shampoos, pills, foams, none of them touch the real cause. So of course nothing worked. It was never you. Here's what's happening. A hormone called DHT wraps around your hair root and chokes it. The root shrinks, the hair falls out. That's the whole problem. Rosemary blocks that hormone right at the scalp. Oregano cleans the skin, opens the pores. Your roots can breathe again. In 2015, doctors tested rosemary against the top hair loss drug. Same regrowth, way fewer side effects. That's why we made Grand Hair. Just rosemary and oregano. Rub it on your scalp once a day. That's it. A few months in, you look in the mirror and you see them. Little new hairs, then thicker ones, then a full head again. No more hats, no more hiding. You look like you again. Try Grand Hair, links below. Your hair grows back or your money back. Your money back.
Bro, it's so fucking crazy. It took me for real like 4 minutes and it's perfectly synced up. So you don't need to edit. You just need to paste these clips in, maybe some transitions, and it's finished. And please don't do the captions inside of CapCut. It's really weird inside of CapCut. Go just inside of Polaris. Boom. Go on extra tools and make auto caption. Just put the render in and you have perfect captions. And yeah, that's it. That's how to make good ads. Get 50% off for Polaris with the code UGC50 and comment down below what you want to see next.